The Super Sky is a groundbreaking innovation that transforms heavy trucks and trailers into vehicles capable of operating on snow and icy terrain. Designed as an adaptable ski system, it replaces traditional wheels, offering stability, traction, and safe maneuverability in extreme winter conditions. Ideal for rescue operations, Arctic logistics, and military applications, Super Sky ensures performance where conventional vehicles fail. Built with durable materials and precision engineering, it enhances mobility, reduces risk, and guarantees operational readiness in some of the harshest environments on Earth. The Zero Breeze Mark II is a portable, battery-powered air conditioner built for campers, truckers, and adventurers who seek comfort off-grid. Compact and lightweight, it delivers powerful cooling without needing constant electrical supply, making it ideal for RVs, tents, or truck cabins. With multiple fan speeds and eco-friendly operation, it ensures efficient climate control in remote settings. Designed for mobility and convenience, the Zero Breeze Mark II proves that even in the wildest environments, comfort and innovation can go hand in hand. SunSwap Endurance is a next-generation transport refrigeration unit powered entirely by solar and battery technology. Replacing diesel-based systems, it eliminates emissions, reduces noise, and cuts operating costs. Perfect for logistics fleets and food transportation, it delivers reliable cooling while aligning with global sustainability goals. With modular battery packs and intelligent energy management, it guarantees long operating hours and adaptability for various cargo types. SunSwap Endurance is a powerful step toward greener logistics without compromising performance. TruckSafe is a high-security storage system designed specifically for commercial vehicles. Built from reinforced materials, it protects valuable cargo, tools, or sensitive equipment during transit. With advanced locking mechanisms and tamper-resistant features, TruckSafe ensures peace of mind for drivers and fleet operators alike. Its modular design allows flexible installation across different truck types, making it suitable for construction, delivery, and emergency service industries. Combining durability, security, and practicality, TruckSafe sets a new standard in transport safety. The H2 Rescue is a hydrogen-powered mobile emergency response truck developed for disaster relief and humanitarian missions. Equipped with a fuel cell system, it generates clean electricity and fresh water on site, making it a self-sustaining lifesaver in crisis zones. Its ability to power hospitals, shelters, and communications systems highlights its versatility. By combining zero-emission technology with humanitarian function, H2 Rescue proves how innovation can serve both the planet and people in need, delivering hope and resilience in emergencies. Hadrian X is an advanced robotic construction system that revolutionizes bricklaying with speed, precision, and automation. Mounted on a truck, it can lay thousands of bricks per day, drastically reducing build times for residential and commercial projects. Integrated with 3D design software, it translates digital blueprints directly into structures with millimeter accuracy, reducing labor demands while increasing safety and efficiency. Hadrian X redefines the future of construction, blending robotics, AI, and engineering into one powerful. Axical is a safety innovation designed to protect truck drivers during severe accidents. Using advanced sensor technology, it detects rollovers and automatically separates the cab from the trailer to minimize crushing forces. This life-saving system is built with precision engineering, ensuring fast response times and reliable performance under extreme stress. Axical represents a major leap in commercial vehicle safety, offering drivers peace of mind while reducing fatalities in one of the most dangerous industries. The Range Energy e-trailer system is a breakthrough in freight efficiency, transforming trailers into hybrid electric power units. By adding powered axles, regenerative braking, and battery storage, it reduces fuel consumption and emissions while improving acceleration and stability. Fleets adopting e-trailer technology see significant cost savings and compliance with tightening environmental regulations. Seamlessly integrating with existing trucks, this system represents the future of smart, sustainable logistics. The Pavelli semi-trailer is a heavy-duty transport solution known for its strength, modularity, and reliability. Engineered with advanced steel alloys, it can withstand extreme loads while maintaining optimal safety and balance. Designed for industries such as construction, mining, and logistics, Pavelli trailers offer customizable options to fit diverse operational needs. With hydraulic systems and innovative weight distribution, they deliver durability and efficiency, making them a trusted choice for professionals worldwide. The STU car carrier trailer is a state-of-the-art solution for vehicle logistics, capable of transporting multiple cars safely and efficiently. Designed with lightweight yet durable materials, it maximizes payload capacity while maintaining structural integrity. Hydraulic ramps and adjustable decks provide versatility for loading vehicles of various sizes. Built with safety and efficiency at its core, the STU car carrier trailer is trusted by transport companies, dealerships, and fleet operators. The TL60 is a specialized trailer system engineered for heavy transport and oversized loads. With reinforced axles, hydraulic steering, and advanced suspension, it ensures stability and precision even on challenging routes. Designed for industries such as energy, infrastructure, and construction, the TL60 provides adaptability for oversized cargo like turbines, machinery, and prefabricated structures. Its engineering excellence combines strength and maneuverability, ensuring safety and reliability under the heaviest conditions. The ZF OptiRide ECAS is an electronically controlled air suspension system that enhances vehicle stability, comfort, and efficiency. Using real-time data, it automatically adjusts suspension height to improve aerodynamics, reduce tire wear, and optimize load distribution. Particularly beneficial for trucks, buses, and trailers, it increases safety while lowering operating costs. ZF OptiRide ECAS represents the future of smart suspension technology, blending innovation with sustainability for commercial mobility. The Kespor Integrity Protection Device is designed to safeguard fuel and liquid cargo transport. This system prevents theft, tampering, and contamination during transit, ensuring cargo reaches its destination safely. Equipped with sensors and secure locking technology, it provides real-time monitoring for fleet managers. Especially vital in high-risk regions, the device guarantees trust, safety, and efficiency in logistics operations, making it a game-changer in tanker-trailer security. The MDTU-20 is a modular deployable trailer unit designed for emergency response, defense, and mobile infrastructure needs. Compact yet versatile, it can be configured as a medical unit, command center, or field housing. Built with robust materials, it is rapidly deployable in disaster zones or remote environments. Its adaptability and durability make it essential for governments, NGOs, and military forces, providing quick, reliable solutions in mission-critical operations. NetCap is an advanced cargo safety system designed to secure loads on flatbed trucks and trailers. Using reinforced nets and adjustable locking mechanisms, it prevents cargo from shifting or falling during transport. Lightweight, easy to install, and compliant with international safety standards, NetCap improves road safety while reducing loading time. A practical upgrade for logistics companies, it combines safety, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness in one reliable solution. Mack Protect is a comprehensive digital service platform designed for Mack trucks. It integrates telematics, predictive maintenance, and real-time diagnostics to optimize fleet performance and reduce downtime. By monitoring vehicle health, it alerts operators to potential issues before they escalate. Mack Protect not only extends vehicle lifespan, but also ensures safety, efficiency, and cost savings for fleet owners. It reflects Mack's commitment to innovation and customer-centric solutions in heavy trucking. The Gaussen Skateboard is an all-electric, modular chassis designed for next-generation trucks. With integrated batteries and electric axles, it supports zero-emission transport while offering flexibility for different truck applications. From logistics to construction, its lightweight design and scalability allow manufacturers to build custom vehicles around a single, efficient platform. Gaussin's skateboard represents a revolution in vehicle design, accelerating the shift towards sustainable, adaptable, and intelligent mobility. The Vama KA is a specialized snow removal machine engineered for airports, highways, and municipalities. With its powerful plows, blowers, and adaptive control systems, it ensures rapid clearing of snow, even under extreme conditions. Built for efficiency and durability, it reduces downtime and enhances safety during winter operations. Trusted in regions with heavy snowfall, Vama KA combines power, precision, and reliability in one robust package. Man Front Detection is an advanced driver assistance system that enhances safety by detecting pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles in front of trucks. Using radar and camera technology, it provides real-time alerts and automatic braking to prevent collisions. Especially useful in urban environments, it reduces blind spots and improves driver awareness. This innovation represents MAN's commitment to reducing accidents and increasing road safety for all users. LMAX is a smart dashcam and monitoring system built for commercial vehicles. Equipped with HD recording, GPS tracking, and real-time connectivity, it enhances security and accountability for drivers and fleet operators. Its wide-angle lenses capture every detail, while cloud integration allows easy data storage and analysis. By providing evidence in case of accidents and improving driver behavior, LMAX becomes an essential tool for modern fleet management. The Bostrom Wide Ride Serta is a premium truck seat that combines ergonomic design with the comfort of Serta mattress technology. Engineered for long-haul drivers, it reduces fatigue, improves posture, and provides superior support during extended journeys. With adjustable settings and advanced suspension, it ensures a smooth and comfortable ride across all terrains. This collaboration between seating and mattress experts redefines driver comfort, making road life healthier and more enjoyable. The cable drum roller trailer is designed for transporting and deploying heavy cable drums efficiently. Built with hydraulic lifting systems, it allows easy loading, unwinding, and rewinding of cables, saving time and labor. Ideal for powerline, telecom, and construction projects, it enhances productivity while ensuring safe handling of bulky materials. With robust construction and user-friendly operation, it stands as a vital tool in modern infrastructure development. The Wezab forklift is a heavy-duty lifting solution designed for warehouses, construction sites, and logistics hubs. Engineered with advanced hydraulics and precision controls, it ensures efficient cargo handling and maximum safety. Known for durability and versatility, Wezab forklifts adapt to diverse industries, handling everything from pallets to oversized loads. With ergonomic design and fuel-efficient technology, it offers both operator comfort and cost savings, setting a new standard in material handling equipment. Optimax is Hendrickson's revolutionary liftable tandem drive axle system designed for heavy trucks. By intelligently raising axles when not needed, it improves fuel efficiency, reduces tire wear, and enhances maneuverability. Ideal for fleets operating in variable load conditions, Optimax ensures operational flexibility while lowering total cost of ownership. Combining innovation with reliability, it represents a smart, sustainable step forward in truck suspension technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.